Hi there, welcome back to the Stonksy Indicator channel. My name's Save with Crypto and I do daily live streams with Dave, this guy here, on the Stonksy Indicator channel. So please do come along, check it out. It's normally about 1 p.m. British time, UK time, so that's about midday UTC. That's normally the time we do it, Monday to Friday. Weekends it varies a little bit, so just subscribe and we'll let you know. Now yesterday on the 21st of April I was demonstrating the Stonksy bot. Now the way this works at the moment is the bot operates a master copy account in BLOFIN, and then you just go along to BLOFIN and you copy that master trader. So this one here is called Stonksy High Frequency, and essentially you just sit back and relax. That's all you do. However, you can change various settings in the bot, and what I was experimenting with yesterday is to find out if we could auto compound without having to go in every few days and fiddle with the settings, and I've been very pleasantly surprised by the results. So this is what I did yesterday. Now at this point the bot had actually just closed a trade, so it was showing as the amount available was $301 or 301 USDT rather. So what I did was I set the amount per order as the maximum amount I could, which is 3,000 USDT. The point being there wasn't 3,000 USDT in the account at the time. And here we are the following morning on the 22nd of April 2025, and you can see here that the bot did open up a new trade at 2:36 in the morning when I was completely asleep and totally oblivious to what the bot was doing. And you can see at the moment what it did. It used all the available capital. The current position is 297.68 USDT, and I think that is because there was some fees involved with opening the trade, which is showing here as the realized profit and loss. So that's like 148 USDT. So it did indeed take as much as it needed to open the trade fully. So if we go back here, you can see that the amount there is still set at 3,000. So as far as I can see, we'll never have to touch that again until we get over 3,000. Now, if you do try and set this for more, you can see at the moment the amount is set between 10 and 3,000 USDT. Now, this limit will get increased soon. It's something that we have to apply for as a master trader, but we will get that increased very soon. So what will happen now is when this trade closes, hopefully it'll be in a nice profit, and then when it opens the next trade, it will just take the maximum amount available, thus compounding the gains. I am keeping a record of the amount here on a Google Sheet, so this is something I talk about daily on the live stream. So if you want to follow along, then please do come to the live stream and ask any questions you like. But hopefully we'll see this line here on the chart go up nicely over time. So at the moment we've gone from like 250 USDT to about 300 in pretty much 3 weeks, which is about 20%. So what would that look like as a compound gain over, say, 1 year? Well, we can work this out here on this calculator on compounddaily.org. So the initial amount we've got is $250, and the daily interest rate is, well, if we've done 20% in 21 days, we're talking about 1% per day, aren't we? So let's just leave that at 1%. Now, at the moment, the bot's taken 17 trades in 20 days. So I suppose it would be reasonable to say that we are investing daily. So let's see what we get in 365 days. Okay, so that means that by the 2nd of April next year, the $250 would have grown into 9,445 with a total profit of 9,195, which is not bad. So you can imagine if you started off with something larger, let's say 1,000, you would then have 37,783 by April next year. That's the kind of thing we're looking at. Now, me personally, I'm probably looking at doing something different in my life by September 2027. That'll be when my youngest daughter has finished further education, and I'll probably relocate somewhere then. So that's 862 days away. So let's take a look at that. So if I did that with, say, just the $250 initially, so if I didn't touch anything from now, that would give me 1.327 million. Not bad. And if I up this to 1,000, which I'm thinking of doing, that would actually give me 5.3 million. Is this realistic? Let me know what you think in the comments. While you're there, please do like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you over on the live stream every day on Stonksy Indicator. Okay, thanks a lot. I'm Save with Crypto. Do remember to like the video, and above all, tell your friends.